everyone, it's Connor here. Just thought I'd take a quick video of my new project. This is my 1978 MK1 Fiesta L that I picked up for an absolute bargain. The car was registered in Leeds, and I'm from Leeds, which is the coolest thing ever. Picked it up from Barnsley, so I believe this car's been in storage in a barn for around about 6 years. I think it was last on the road in around 2012. Super cool. I mean, even the condition of the car, I think it's had a repaint in its time, which I will be tending to. There are some odds and sods to sort out around it in terms of rust and stuff like that. Not often you see this colour either. I believe it's peppermint green. If anyone knows the colour code, leave a comment down below. Boot lid in this case. Some light rust spots that I can tend to quite easily. Smarten it all up. Original Yorkshire evening post sticker in the window, which is the coolest thing ever. So being from Leeds, I know about the evening post. Completely original parts all the way around it. I've got some plans. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've bought some wheels for the car. We'll be lowering it a little bit, but I'll be keeping all the original parts for the car. Nothing too major in terms of modifications. I'll just be sorting out some smart little subtle mods around the car. Best thing about this car has to be the interior as well. The interior is absolutely immaculate for its age. I can't actually believe it. So original dogtooth seats there. One lighter than the other, but I'm going to give them a good shampoo and see if I can get them to look any better. If anyone's come across that before, I think sunlight may have been on it at some point, faded it away. All tips are welcome. Car's only got 45,103 on the clock. Super low mileage for the age of the car. Rear seats as well, and an unmolested parcel shelf there as well in the back. Condition of the roof lining's absolutely insane too. Got a dark headlight there, but I do have a brand new one in the boot that I've bought that I will be fitting soon. Get it all smartened up there along the bottom as well. The car is absolutely solid. May have some surface rust on it, but that's just due to it being sat for a while. Absolutely solid underneath all the way around. Let me know what you guys think to the car in the comments, what your ideas are, what I should do. I know I've got a plan in my head what I'm going to do to it. Subtle mods. I've bought some 4-spoke RS wheels for the car that are going to be getting fitted on in the near future, but first things first is to get the car safe and on the road really. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.